Goeiedag, good day. Ek hoop alles gaan goed. I hope everything is going well. Vandag se woorde wat ons gaan oefen, hou verband met die tema van vrugte. Today's words we are practicing relates to the theme of fruits. Nou, ons gaan hierdie 2 keer doen en elke keer sê jy die woorde na my. Now we're going to practice this twice, and every time you say the words after me. Are you ready? Okay. Appel, pisang, arbei, mango, watlemoen, druiwe, vy, pynappel, baie mooi, well done. Ons gaan dit nog 1 keer doen. We're going to practice it one more time. Are you ready? Okay. Appel, pisang, arbei, mango, watlemoen, druiwe, vy, pynappel. Baie mooi, baie dankie en totsiens.